Hi, this is Iris. In today's video, I want to share with you how to choose microwave heat pack. You can consider about it from the following factors. The first factor is the material of cover and the inner filler. The cover is generally cotton fabric, super soft fabric, wrapped foam, and so on. And there are a variety of fillers such as the tourmaline, wheat, cherry stone, silicone beads, and so on. Different fillers have different smells and effects. If you want to add some dry flowers, we offer different fragrances for you to choose, such as the lavender and rose. The second factor you should take into consideration is the price, including the freight and tax. The price depends on your demand involving the shape, size, and the quantity. If you need an outer cover, the price is more expensive. When choosing a supplier, you need to consider the shipping fee and other costs in time. The third one is the experience the suppliers have. Our factory has professional supplier experience for more than 50 years. Our products have passed strict quality inspection procedures and they can pass BSCl 433 EN71 ADO etc. So that's all for today. If you need more than about the microwave heat pack, follow me and leave a message. Bye.